Hi, my name is Minerva. I am 16, I live in Plano, Texas, and I go to the Texas Academy of Math and Science, TAMS. I started coding in 9th grade when I first learned how to do Java at school and high school, and my favorite coding language is definitely Python because I love that there's not that much syntax to worry about and it's overall a lot easier for me to do and write faster. I decided to teach at Codeucate because I really wanted to inspire the next generation or the younger generations to love coding and to learn it as well as I did and to love it as much as I did. Because it just influenced me so much and it opened so many doors for me and it allowed me to meet so many new people and all of that, and I just wanted to share that with them so that they knew how it felt and what they could do with it and learn from it. My responsibilities as a teacher are to create lesson plans and then teach my students and inspire them. So I work with other teaching interns to create lesson plans on Google Docs and then create slides and then create Quizlets, all the things that are needed for students to succeed and understand the language while also really enjoying it. I would say just start. It seems a little difficult at the beginning, and sometimes it's hard because there's a lot of pressure from other people who already know it and who are already succeeding really well at it. But I would say just start, and then once you start, it'll start to make more sense and you'll be able to understand it and learn it better, and just know that there's so many different things that you can do with it and it's always worth it to keep going, so don't stop. You can do it. Bye!